Hi guys, this company went ahead and sent me these cat structures right here. So I didn't have a level, so they aren't quite level all the way, but we got them on there as good and as straight as possible. But yeah, my cats are loving these. You can see Cookie there. She's one of our cats. We have 3, but she's loving this thing. But yeah, these things are super awesome, super convenient, and really, really do love the quality of them. Super easy to put together. Took me a couple of minutes to figure it out, but once I got it figured out, everything was pretty straightforward. I love the basket right there because it actually has a little area where the cats can lay down in there. And then it also has this bridge right here. This thing is super high quality. Really, really do love it. I added this one above the bridge. That way if the cats wanted to, they could, go and scratch that while they're on the bridge. But yeah, overall, this thing is super, super nice. Really, really do love the quality. Highly, highly recommend it and hope y'all give it a try.